In this video, I'm going to show how to remove and replace a blown amplifier from a Definitive Technology ProSub 1000, which I've had for quite a long time, that finally the amp blew. So I had to buy a new one. And I just got this today, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. The first thing you want to do is remove the amplifier module itself. So let's do that. Now remove the last two screws. Oh, this is really hard work. Alright, I'm going to try prying it out. So I had to kind of like use the pocket knife to even pry it out, trying to like minimize the damage to the wood, but it's kind of a bummer. What actually worked was gravity itself. I just kind of tilted it on its side and used the actual weight, because this thing weighs, it is not light. This is a very high quality amp. So here, I got it out. And here it is. Man, that is heavy. Hard to get a look in there, but you can see there's connectors right there on the speaker. Speakers in the front, the passive radiators on the bottom. I'm a little surprised that there's no foam, like deadening material, but I already pulled off the negative. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the positive wire now. For this volume knob here, I guess this is more like the gain, which is on the side of the sub, and it's connected to this little white connector there, right here. I'm just gonna pull it out. There we go. There's the wires disconnected. Here comes the old one. Look at the size of this transformer. It is heavy. Whatever they advertise the power is, I think it's like 300 watts, I believe it, because this has got to weigh like 15 pounds, this little thing. It's all on it's all on this transformer. Look at all that copper. Here's a new unit. It's all wrapped up. I won't bore you with all that. So now you're going to basically do everything in reverse. You're going to connect the wires back onto the subwoofer, with the red wire being the positive wire being on the left side of the subwoofer as shown in this picture, and the black wire on the right side, which is the negative wire. And then you're gonna place the amp module back, slided it back into the body of the subwoofer, and start screwing all the screws back in. And basically that's it. It's just what it took to, probably just a lot easier to do. You just might want to be a little careful when you're actually making the wire connections on the subwoofer. Make sure you got them in good and taut before you actually, screw everything back in. You might actually want to just screw a couple of screws on and then test out the amp or the subwoofer and make sure everything's working correctly before you actually finish screwing all the screws back in. So that's just a quick little tip. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of quick and random, but it was something that actually happened, and I thought might be able to help somebody out there. Take it easy.